Hey guys, and welcome to another edition of our Lightworks version 14 tutorial series presented by WBM Student Television.
Today we'll be showing you how to use green screen and chroma key, which is how to erase another background and put a different background behind it.
When you use this effect, you can show anywhere you want to go, just like this.
Oh, that didn't work.
That didn't work.
There we
go.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Lightworks version tutorial. Today we're going to be going over the green screen. So first, what you do is you import the video clip with the green background. Then you right click next to V1. Then you click tracks.
So then next you hit add video and then drag the video clip into V1. Then you drag the second video clip into V2 and then hit VFX to do your green screen.
So then you click on the plus sign and then you click on the menu, you click on key, and then you hit chroma key, and then you click on the color picker.
Then you click on the green background. This will make the second image appear. Next, you want to clear out all this extra green that will keep appearing. Then you unclick the view, and then you're okay.
So thank you for watching this tutorial, guys, and we hope to see you in the next one.